Hi guys, I'm Tiff.
And I'm Tiffany.
This is my mother, I'm the daughter, and we just wanted to give you a little tour of our studio, kind of show you what we've been working on for the past year and a half, and bring you into our world a little bit. So,
All right, so come on in to our reception area. Everything in here was done by my mother and myself. All of the walls are Venetian plaster. All of that tile work you just saw was hand laid by us. And of course, you can't forget a beautiful stained glass window. This is a focal point for us. This was one of the most magnificent original bits in this building when we got it. We're in love. We hope that you love it too. So, now we're going to leave the reception area. All right guys, come on in. This is our first treatment room. Sit back, get an oxygen facial, magical facial, anything. And be glowy like me. Now we're gonna go into the next room. Come on. Are you coming? Keep up. First, make sure you stop and look at all of our products. We have some great goodies for you ladies in here. We can tell you more about that later. Come on. Hungry? Thirsty? Stop off and have a little snack. Enjoy a little drink of distilled water that we make here for you. Tired of walking through the studio already? Have a seat in our gypsy nook. Take a chill pill. Just relax in here. All right, let's go get some more treatment. So this is my treatment room. Come on in. We have a little bit more left. Let's see. This is our procedure room. This is where we do anything with bloodborne pathogens. Everything in here is sterile, so you're not allowed in here unless you're invited. A few more things to see. Are you tired again? Do you need to have a seat? Just relax. Everything will be okay. Come on. A little bit left. We do have to show you the bathroom because it's pretty fabulous. So come on in. Why not sit and relax in the bathroom? You have a comfy chair. Well, I think that's about it. If there's anything else that you want to see, or if you want to see this place for yourself to make sure it's real, give us a call. Come on in, shoot us a text. You know how to reach us.